Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to the Dow Academy Online Learning. We look forward to seeing you all back in class. But for now, stay home, stay safe. And remember to always wash your hands with soap for at least 20 seconds. Let's begin.
Good morning, class. Today we're doing fractions, okay? So, the first subject is addition of fractions, right? Okay, addition of fractions. Okay, so for example, with fractions, the number at the top is a numerator, okay? The number at the bottom is a denominator. Okay, so if we're adding, for example, fractions that have the same denominator, we go 1/5 plus 2/5 equals, so since the denominators is the same number, 5, we move 5 to the other side of the equal sign because the denominator does not change, okay? So it's now we add numerators only, okay? 1 plus 2 is 3. Another example, 2/4 plus 3 plus 1/4. So, like I said, the denominator does not change, okay? 1 plus 2 is 3. Another example, 2/4 plus 3 plus 1/4. So, like I said, the denominator does not change, okay? So, we move 4 to the other side of the equal sign. I get it, 2/4 plus 1/4 equals, so now we add the numerators. 2 plus 1 equals 3, so it's 3/4, okay? Same thing goes for subtraction of fractions, okay? When we subtract fractions that have the same denominator, I get it, the denominator is the number that's below the line, right? The denominator does not change. We don't add the denominator, we don't subtract the denominator, we just move it to the other side of the equal sign, okay? So it's 2/4 minus 1/4 equals, what do? We move 4 to the other side of the equal sign, and then we subtract 1 from 2. Just normal subtraction that you know, okay? That's 1, right? Another example, 3/5 minus 2/5 is quarter. So here, the number that determines which fraction is, especially with fractions that have the same denominator, the number that determines which fraction is greater than, or which fraction is smaller than, is the numerator, okay? This time we concentrate on the numerator, okay? So we move 4, oh my lord, no, we don't move anything. I'm sorry, pardon me. Okay, so because we know 2 is greater than 1, that means 2/4 is greater than 1/4, right? So we write it like this: 2/4 is greater than 1/4. 1/4 and 2/4. How do we write it? Because I get it, the numerator is the one that determines if the fraction is greater than or the fraction is smaller than. We only use the numerator in this case. So it's 1/4 is smaller than 2/4. And if it's 2/4 and 2/4, that means our answer is equals.